Is your Jira form invisible to users? You've spent time building it, but when you go to share it, nothing. It's just sitting there, hidden. Stop wasting time hunting through endless settings. I'll show you exactly how to activate it in under a minute. All right, here's the plan. We'll navigate into your project, find the Forms section, and flip it on with just a few clicks. Let's go. So, start by logging into your Jira account. You know the drill. Just head to your Jira instance and sign in.
This is where everything lives, so make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Now, from the left panel, select your project. The project sidebar is your best friend here. Just scroll down a bit, find the project that has the form you created, and click on it. This is where all your project's issues, boards, and settings live. Once you're inside the project, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a bunch of tabs, things like Backlog, Board, Code, and then Forms. Click on Forms. This is the central hub for all the forms associated with this project. If you've created one, it's waiting for you here. Now, here's the part I see people miss all the time. Find the form you want to activate and hover your mouse over it. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll notice a small three-dot menu icon appear on the right side of the form card. That little icon is the key to everything. Click on it. A drop-down menu will pop up, and right there you'll see the option you've been looking for, Activate Form. Click it. That's it. In one click, your form goes from hidden to live. You'll know it worked because the form should now show as active right there on the card. A small badge or indicator will appear. It's subtle, but it's there. In my experience testing this across different projects, that visual confirmation is your biggest clue that everything is set. But don't stop there. Let's make sure it's really working. Open the form by clicking on it. You should see it load up, fields visible, ready to be filled out. Take a moment to test it yourself. Enter some dummy data, submit it, and check that it creates an issue in your project. That quick test saves you from hearing back from a team member saying, "Hey, the form's broken." Now that it's live, you're ready to share it. You can grab the direct form link from the URL bar, paste it into a team chat, an email, or even embed it in a Confluence page. Your users don't need to hunt for it. They just click and fill. And that's it. From a hidden, inactive form to one your team can actually use. See? It only took a minute. Now go make that form work for you.